Making $1 million in your 20s, 30s, or even 40s might seem like a tall order, right? With factors like inflation, it's no walk in the park. But hey, it's still doable. So today, we're exploring Scott Galloway's tips for those lucky few aiming to hit that $1 million mark in their 30s and 40s. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll be armed with some solid strategies to help enrich your life. Alright Luxo lovers, let's give love to Luxo-Life, roll up our sleeves, and get started. Identify and develop talent. Scott Galloway, a business guru with insights that can shake up your approach to success, tells us not to follow our passion blindly. Instead, he says it's crucial to recognize and nurture our talents. Imagine it like this: you're on a treasure hunt, and the first step is to figure out what treasures you already possess within yourself. Maybe you're a whiz with numbers, a fantastic writer, or a great communicator. Whatever it is, identifying your strengths is like finding the map to your own success. Once you've pinpointed your talents, Galloway advises nurturing them like precious plants in a garden. This means dedicating time and effort to sharpening your skills, honing your craft, and becoming the best version of yourself. But it's not just about self-improvement. Galloway also emphasizes the importance of surrounding yourself with other talented individuals. Think of it like building a team of superheroes, each bringing their own unique powers to the table. By connecting with people who complement your strengths, you can achieve even greater heights together. But here's the kicker: it's not just about finding talent in yourself and others, it's about developing it too. Just like a coach trains their team to reach peak performance, Galloway encourages us to invest in our growth continually. That might mean taking classes, seeking mentorship, or simply practicing our skills every day. The key is to never stop learning and evolving, always striving to reach new levels of excellence. Build strong relationships. Building relationships is not just about transactions, it's about connections. It's not just about what you know, it's also about who you know and how well you know them. So what does building strong relationships really entail? Well, it's more than just networking events and LinkedIn connections. It's about genuine connections with influential individuals who can open doors for you. Picture it like building a bridge. You want to establish trust and rapport with others so that you can collaborate and support each other's goals. Whether it's forming partnerships, seeking mentorship, or simply having a supportive network to lean on, strong relationships are the foundation to success. But here's the thing: building strong relationships takes time and effort. It's not something that happens overnight. It requires consistent effort and genuine interest in others. Galloway encourages us to invest in these relationships, nurturing them like you would a prized plant in your garden. By maintaining meaningful connections within your industry, you not only expand your opportunities but also create a support system that can help you navigate challenges and celebrate successes. Maintain focus. Your focus determines your reality. It's also the reason why Scott Galloway is emphasizing the importance of keeping our eyes on the prize. But what does that really mean? Imagine you're driving a car. You wouldn't want to be looking out the side window or checking your phone while cruising down the highway, would you? Nope. You'd keep your eyes on the road ahead, focused on where you're headed. It's the same with your goals in life. Galloway reminds us that staying focused means avoiding distractions and staying dedicated to our chosen path. Now that's easier said than done, especially in the world full of shiny objects and constant notifications. But Galloway's advice is clear: if you want to achieve success, you've got to stay laser focused on your goals. Whether it's mastering a particular skill or seizing opportunities in high-return industries, staying on track is key. So how do we maintain focus in a world full of distractions? Well, it's all about discipline and mindset. Galloway encourages us to set clear goals, prioritize tasks, and eliminate anything that doesn't align with our objectives. It's like creating a roadmap for success and sticking to it no matter what. Master a skill. Now let's talk about mastering a skill. Scott Galloway has some wisdom to share on this topic, and it's worth paying attention to. Instead of trying to juggle a bunch of different things at once, Galloway suggests focusing on becoming really good at one thing. Sounds simple, right? But trust me, it's powerful stuff. Imagine you're learning to play the guitar. You wouldn't try to learn the piano, drums, and violin all at the same time, would you? You'd pick one instrument and pour all your energy into mastering it. Galloway's advice is kind of like that. By focusing on one skill, you can dive deep, uncovering all the nuances and becoming an expert in your field. Now you might be thinking, but what about all the other cool things I want to do? And hey, I get it. We live in a world full of opportunities, and it's tempting to chase after every shiny new idea. But Galloway reminds us that spreading ourselves too thin can actually hold us back. By honing in on one skill, we can reach greater heights of success and reap the rewards that come with it. So whether you're passionate about coding, writing, cooking, or anything else under the sun, Galloway's advice remains the same. Pick one thing and go all in. With dedication and focus, you'll not only master your chosen skill, but also open doors to new opportunities and financial rewards along the way. Embrace humility and resilience. Let's chat about embracing humility and resilience. What's the deal with humility? Well, it's all about staying humble, even when we're kicking goals left, right, and center. It's about recognizing that we don't have all the answers and being open to learning from others. Now, resilience is another biggie. Picture it like this: life throws us curveballs sometimes, right? It's how we bounce back from those setbacks that really counts. Galloway encourages us to develop emotional resilience, like a sturdy tree that bends but doesn't break in the face of a storm. By staying grounded and resilient, we can weather any storm that comes our way and come out stronger on the other side. Embracing humility and resilience means swallowing our pride, admitting when we're wrong, and getting back up after we've been knocked down. But Galloway reminds us that these qualities are essential for long-term success. They're like the fuel that keeps our engines running, powering us through the ups and downs of life. Learn from others. Experience is the best teacher, but it doesn't mean you have to experience it all to learn something. That's where learning from others comes in. Other people's experiences and successes can be like a treasure trove of wisdom, just waiting to be tapped into. So what does learning from others really involve? It's like having a whole team of mentors at your fingertips. Whether it's seeking advice from someone who's been there, done that, or being open to new ideas and perspectives, the possibilities are endless. Galloway reminds us that we don't have to do it alone. There's a whole world of knowledge out there just waiting to be discovered. But know that learning from others isn't just about gathering information, it's about applying it in our own lives. It's like having a toolbox full of handy tools. We've got to roll up our sleeves and put them to good use. By being receptive to new ideas and perspectives, we open ourselves up to growth and development, constantly evolving into better versions of ourselves. Invest wisely. Lastly, invest wisely. When it comes to investing, knowledge is power. So dive deep into researching potential investments. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion to uncover the juicy bits inside. By understanding the ins and outs of different investment opportunities, we can make informed decisions that align with our financial goals. However, investing wisely also means being willing to take risks. Now, I'm not talking about throwing caution to the wind and betting it all on a whim. No, it's about taking calculated risks, like a skilled chess player strategizing their next move. Galloway reminds us that sometimes the biggest rewards come from stepping out of your comfort zone and seizing opportunities. Before we end, Luxo lovers, which of Scott Galloway's tips resonated with you the most? Drop your favorites in the comments below. And if you found today's video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Let's spread the wealth of knowledge together. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video, Luxo lovers.